My name is Summer Huntington. I'm the founder of Kinesiolyoga and I'm also a head coach at RMAX International. I hold a master's in kinesiology, human movement and performance. I'm incredibly excited to launch the Kinesiolyoga 101 online course, which is a culmination of what I've been teaching globally since 2011. I'll be teaching Kinesiolyoga seminars, which usually consist of personal trainers and yoga instructors together in one room. And this is an online version of that so that you can come and be as prepared as possible for the course. I'll be integrating some of the best tools that I know of on the market, including RAD Roller, which I'm a master trainer for. These are self-myofascial release tools. I'll also be featuring Naboso technology, which is a proprioceptive mat founded by Dr. Emily Splichal. And of course, my favorite tool for loaded yoga poses, the club bell. Please note, if you'd like to call yourself a Kinesiolyoga instructor, you must attend an in-person seminar to get certified. This course does not substitute for that, but it only will enhance your understanding of loaded yoga-based movement and mobility-based training. I developed this course to make the Kinesiolyoga principles available to anyone, anywhere. Yoga is a perfect science, and this program is the next level of understanding yoga and mobility from the lens of human movement and performance. Kinesiolyoga 101 includes every single awakening, Kinesiolyoga conditioning exercise, weighted pose, and the 8 sport-specific flows that I teach at my seminars. The awakening section has all of my signature joint mobility drills integrated into asana, plus RAD Roller self-myofascial release techniques to help you reclaim mobility. Everything is categorized by the parent pose and fully explained in detail, integrating principles of fascial tension and barefoot science. The conditioning section has all bodyweight exercises and my signature Kinesiolyoga conditioning exercises with modifications and taught with an emphasis on anatomy and alignment-based teaching. The practice section will strengthen your practice no matter if you're new to yoga or have been practicing for years. All power poses in Vinyasa yoga are covered, both unweighted and then with a club bell. You will absolutely build stability, activation, and enhance proprioception in loaded yoga poses. The flow section has the 8 sport-specific flows, both loaded and unloaded, for a total of 16 follow-along flows. Each flow is sequenced to improve a sport-specific performance aspect. For example, closed hip stability or open hip leg endurance are a couple of flows that you'll see, and much, much more. The decompensation section is comprised of all deep stretches to release residual tension and restore full range of motion. This section has hip opening stretches, hamstring lengtheners, chest openers, and spinal twists. I created the Kinesiolyoga 101 course because I want this information to be available to anyone, anywhere, so that anyone can strengthen their yoga practice using the most cutting-edge training techniques and tools. It's a pleasure and honor to teach and share this practice. Namaste.